Hi all, welcome to our channel Getfully, and today I'm here with another badminton racket which is Li-Ning Smash XP 8 series. Okay, then let's see what we have inside the box. I'm let's unwrap it. I'm already just unwrapped because it will take little more time to unbox it. That's why I already did it. And here it's okay, the package is okay from as usual from Flipkart. And this is the Li-Ning Smash XP. This is the package. Nice protection covers and all, no issues. And here you can see the bat. The Li-Ning is only providing the cover. No, there is no full cover. There's only cover for the string, the frame, main frame. There's no any full cover like that Yonex series. So this is the bat. Wow, great. Wow, guys, this is the bat. But yeah, fine. Here we can see the Smash XP, some graphics and all. Here you can see the graphics, some nice graphics. And yeah, the spring, wow, good. Yeah, okay. And the grip is also good, no issues. And here the price tag is 790 rupees, almost 800. But I am bought it from Amazon for 4000 bucks Indian rupees. Yeah, good. The grip is also good. The frame, everything is perfect. Okay, I think this is the aluminum material is used to manufacture this one. And here is one joint is provided. There's one Li-Ning symbol. And the string, yeah, good, which is good, tight. And yeah, nice, everything is fine. This is the bottom of the bat. And yeah, good. And some guys asked me that while choosing the bat, I mean the beginning bat, I mean the bat for beginners, they asked that which is best, Li-Ning XP8 series or that our Yonex G3 series. But I have to say this is much better, I think, from while comparing with the G3000, Yonex G300 series. This strings and all little bit which is, this is a little more thicker, I think. Yeah, thicker and more tighter, so you can smash it as well, the shuttlecocks and all. So other conditions, I think this will be the better one, more than there is a little bit advantage, I think, for this particular Li-Ning bat. And yeah, this is good. So guys, this is the Li-Ning XP Smash 808 bat. That's it. And please subscribe, like, comment, support our channel. We will come with another video of the other bats, other things, other devices. We are here. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button. Thank you. This is Amal signing out from Getfully. Thank you.